Hey team, Tim Thomas here at the Work at Home headquarters. Great things are happening. I just had another payment come in for the Crazy Cash flyer postcard program, and it is just absolutely astounding. We're just getting started. We're just getting started as to where we're going with this postcard and this flyer. It is amazing. I want you to stay tuned for this entire video. Before we start the video, go ahead and like this video. I would really appreciate it. I will really appreciate if you like the video. It would help me in ranking the video higher, shows it to more people, and I really would appreciate it. Great things are happening, and I thank you for viewing this video. 450 payments are coming in like crazy, and we're just getting started. Working home is starting early this year. Well, you know, back to school season, working home season. It is just absolutely astounding as to what we've got going on. Great things are happening. We're going to show you what we believe you can make. Income disclaimer in life, nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. But I'm telling you what, we're getting payments in multiple times a day in these programs. I would encourage you to check out the YouTube channel here that I have. Check out the YouTube channel, and you can see these programs that we've got. Look around, walk around. As again, I sit in the Work at Home headquarters here. I could not be more excited about what we've got going on with the Creed, the LCM money system, and all of these programs. They are just absolutely rocking and rolling. I want to invite you to come along for the ride. Well, we're going to get into this payment. I'm going to show you how the Crazy Cash postcard flyer work. You may have got one in the mail. This is how the flyer looks. Give me just a minute, guys. I'll open up the proof payment. It's a proof payment of one that just came in. I want to welcome a new member, Felicia, to the team. Welcome, Felicia, if you're watching the video. And this is how the flyer looks. You can get it in a flyer or a postcard, or you can get both. Both are converting like crazy. It's totally up to you as to what you want to do. But the great things are happening with it. And that was the flyer. Here's the postcard. This is the front side. There's Roy down there in Texas. And here's the back side. And that's my website. Well, it goes to my YouTube channel that has the trailer playlist of endless proof. Endless proof. Absolutely astounding as the proof that I have. Does the program works? Look for yourself. I got 18 videos. 18 videos talking about proof payments after payment after payment after payment, and we're just getting started, folks. We hadn't even scratched the surface. Nobody knows about this program hardly, and I'm going to invite you to come mail it. You mail it, folks, you get a $450 payment. You'll send $100 to the admin for the processing of your new members' information, and the admin will take it from there. All you do is get this information over to the admin, send the $100 over, and you're winning. I'm telling you what, exciting times are up ahead. I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. The Crazy Cash program is on a rip to the upside. I want to invite you to come along, get this postcard, request the postcard, guys, or request the flyer. You might have seen my video. You might have got it in the mail. Does it work? Absolutely works. Does it convert? Absolutely, and it works and converts like crazy. All you do is, again, mail the postcard in or the flyer that you received in the mail. And you do it over and over and over again, guys. Start mailing your flyer, your postcard, and you'll win. All right, let's open this thing up. It came in. I don't know if you can see the tracking. There's a tracking number. Let me see. With this proof video, there is a tracking number. Got to get it in front of the camera. I'll back it up. There's a tracking number. No, I'll try to show it to you. Let's open it up, guys, live. And I'll show you. I don't want to rip nothing, folks. When you open this priority mail, folks, don't rip your money or your whatever they're sending you. Okay, I got something inside of here. Got another one. There's the information. And let's get it open up. Okay, we got another envelope. Welcome, Felicia, to the team. We got, okay, she joined the Crazy Cash flyer. She joined the flyer. She joined the Crazy Cash flyer. And she sent in, look at this, folks, a money order. I don't know if you can see that. For $450. I'll back it up. With my background, it's hard to see, but that money order is for $450. Thank you, Felicia, for partnering with me. Welcome to the program. We're going to get your information over to admin so he can swiftly get your order and get you up and running. I'm telling you what, the way to wealth, folks, is you grab hold of a big ticket program. Get a big ticket program and you start winning. And you can win so big each and every day. I've got mailing lists. I've got several mailing lists that we're recommending. And I'm telling you what, if you can mail a flyer and a postcard, you can make hundreds of dollars every single day to the week. Day in and day out. Will there ever be an end? Absolutely not. People will buy cars. They will buy homes. They will buy trucks until the end of the world. They will look to ways to make money. People need income, folks. And they need it now. And when you show them a legitimate way that has value, that product, service, and that it resonates with them, they will partner with you and say, hey, I want what you have. They will chase you down continuously and send you money. And I'm telling you what, I am nothing special. All I do is take action on a daily basis, and I do it over and over and over again. And folks, I have not only doubled what I made in corporate America, I make probably 4 to 5 times a year what I make in corporate America. And that was, oh my goodness, folks. And that was upwards of $70,000 a year at corporate America. I have quadrupled that per year, working from the comfort of home. And I could not be more excited. Imagine making $100,000 a year, just this one program. Folks, you're going to get access to a print and mail service. That is incredible. And you're going to get 300 buyer leads in this product package, part of your product package. You're going to get 300 forever stamps. 300 forever stamps. You're going to get the buyer leads on pill and stick labels. These are people looking for ways to make money from home. And you're going to get access. Folks, you get this postcard and start mailing it. You can put your website there. It's totally up to you. Or if you want to try the flyer, you can look at this, people. You can get the flyer. Get the flyer and start mailing it with Roy's picture on here. That thing's working for me, folks. And it's working like crazy. Look at this young lady here. Little gal. She said, are you tired of wasting money on MLM programs or money-making schemes that just don't work? Folks, get a legitimate product, a legitimate service, a legitimate flyer that absolutely works. Stop struggling, folks, and get hold of this stuff and start mailing and do it over and over and again. Tell your friends about it. Or if you don't want to tell your friends, we've got a way that you can literally get this thing in front of thousands of people every month. If you never tell anybody, just mail your flyer and you do it over and over again. The sky can be the limit. In order to get started, folks, you can request the flyer from me or the postcard. I will send either one of your choice, of your choosing. Both of them are converting. Both of them are working like crazy. And I'm excited. I'm very excited about people coming into this program. It makes you feel good. Fill this thing out, get it back, and we'll get you going. If you want to pay through Cash App, notify me, and I can accept your payment through Cash App, and you email me your information where to mail your information off to the admin of the company. Well, onward, as Mary Beth would say, onward and upwards. We're rocking and rolling. We're excited. We're fired up about helping people. Zig Ziglar said, billionaire, help enough people get what they want in life, and you can have everything in life that you want. Folks, let's get started today. Do not hesitate. Don't drop the ball on your future. You owe it to you, yourself, your family. Create the income. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. Stay as long as you want to stay, simply by taking action into these programs. It is amazing, folks. I'm excited, and I'm excited for you. Well, folks, we're looking for a great time together in the next few years together. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. until the next video. If you have any questions, folks, reach out to me. My information below on the video is on the below the video. Here's Rod's phone number. He's the owner of the company. Pause the video. Call Rod if you have any questions. And here's my information. You can call me if you have any questions. All right. That's it. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.